Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make text move in Capcut. So we have these captions here and we would like it to move anyway so that it makes the video more engaging. So what you need to do is you just click on one of the texts and you just go to animation, and if you would like to use it for all the texts, what you need to do is just highlight all of the texts. But if you would like to only use it on one specific text, you just click on the specific text. So now we're gonna go to animation, and here you will be able to see all the animations. Some of them can only be used with the pro version. You can have the free trial of the pro version by clicking the link in the description below. So for example, if I click on this fade in effect, as you can see, now it moved, and if we would like to make it slower, you're just gonna increase the duration. As you can see, it's gonna be slower this way. You also have a lot more animations like these typing kind of animations, which is usually used with short form content to make it more engaging, and you also have out animations like that. So now this text is gonna have an in and an out animation, as you can see. You also have loop, which is basically a combination of the in and out animations. Like it's gonna do an in and an out animation for you. Alright, so all in all, this is how to make text move in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.